Hi, this is me, Talon. I'm doing a Moshi Monster video of the Magic Fizz. And here's the guys that you can collect, the Moshi Monsters. Katsuma, Puppet, Furry, Diablo, Sukiyaki, Jeepers, Iggy, Weight Pain, Mini Bin, Rocky, Roxy, Whirly, Lady Goo, Shishi, DJ Quack, and Snookums. So here's the figures that you can collect. So now it's time to open it. I'm strong, so I can open this thing up. Hey, bunny. And you can see it, Katsuma's right there. And I don't know if this thing has a code. Maybe I ripped the code. So now let's do it. So here's, put this away over here. And here's them. So the colors are blue and green. I just picked that color because it's my favorite color, the whole wide world. So open this. It's really hard. Here's them open. So let's open the blue one first because that's my favorite color. And green too. I'll open that one after this one. This is really hard to open, but now we have to do it two layers. Okay, so here's it open. So now we're gonna put it in a lot of water. I might dip my feet in this because it feels, I want to smell it. Can I have a knife? I want to smell it. Let's smell it. See if it smells good. It smells pretty good. Maybe I would play in this. Checking. Wonder what it is. I want it to be Furry, Puppet, and Diablo. Those are the only monsters that I want. And then I want the Zoomer. And then that heart guy, I don't know the name. I'm gonna wipe my hands very quick. Open the other one until that thing fizzes. I'm waiting. Okay, the other one's open. Wonder what we get. How about put the other one in? Wonder what it is. So the next one is Ultra Rare Shishi. She's ultra rare. It kind of, sometimes in the small ones you get two. Wonder if there's two. Can't see it. Katsuma.
Show the camera.
Got Katsuma. To have him. Thanks for watching. Bye. We're gonna leave this guy in so I don't need him. Bye-bye, Katsuma. And bye-bye, Shishi.